Welcome to the lobster pond. This is the freshwater lobster. So when you look at the freshwater lobster in a concrete pond like this, make sure you need to check the tail. One of the major muscle of its tail. That's you can find the meat. So you call it the tail meat. Bigger tail meat. The bigger the tail meat, the more you have to eat. Or how do you call that? Once you have more meat, the more you can enjoy eating this lobster, freshwater lobster. And if you are the grower growing out this freshwater lobster, crawfish, crayfish, that's the one you would need to find. A large tail meat. No deformities on the claw, proportion, asymmetry, nice looking, angle around it. So this is the blue one and that's the green one. Kind of bluish with a red claw. This is a male Australian red claw crayfish because of its red claw. So the advantage of having more males on your pond is if you're on a grow out setup to sell this freshwater lobster for consumption. Alright, so I'm trying to fill up some water inside this pond. I just drained the pond and already brushed the floor, but suddenly I saw a craylings, only one, but I'm suspecting that there are a lot of them. So I decided to leave the mud or this muddy soil thing inside a concrete pond was produced by this aquatic plants and their roots. If the crayfish also eat those roots or leaves or any food that you feed them, it will create a debris like a mud or a soil like. So look at the symmetry on the pipe. The claw. How asymmetrical that is. So as you can see, it folds its tail, but this is a male. So the indicator for female, it doesn't have any claw. On their claw, it doesn't have a red coloration. If it's a female crayfish, Australian red claw crayfish. So look at that beauty. Green, dominant color, green. Some of them is lighter color with a bluish light blue, like this. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have the idea on how big this creature are. This is a tumbler, a small container with some aquatic plants, and this is the crayfish with a bluish color with white spots. Okay, this is the greenish.